Hi, I'm Anu. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making oat and carrot cookies. They are vegan, gluten-free and refined sugar-free. They are super easy to make and turns out delicious. Let's get started. Let's start by mixing the dry ingredients. In a bowl, add 1 cup of oat flour. In case you don't have oat flour, just blend oats in the blender. To this, we will add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well and keep it aside. In another bowl, add 1/4 cup of maple syrup or honey, 1/4 cup of smooth peanut butter, 1 fresh medium carrot grated, and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix everything until well combined. Now pour the dry ingredients into it. With the help of the spatula, mix everything. Dough will be thick. In case it's not, let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes before baking. Now use a large scoop and place them on the baking sheet. I'm gonna press them little and shape them into the cookies. Bake in the preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. Remove them from the oven and allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes and then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.